What is a constructive trust, and how might it apply in a divorce? Have you ever wondered how courts handle situations where one spouse tries to hide assets during a divorce? This is where a constructive trust comes into play. A constructive trust is a legal remedy imposed by courts to address unfair situations regarding property ownership. Unlike a traditional trust created by individuals, a constructive trust is ordered by the court. It requires one person to hold property for the benefit of another, often in cases of unethical behavior. In the context of divorce, a constructive trust can be very important for property division. When couples separate, they must divide their marital assets. However, one spouse might try to conceal or transfer these assets to avoid sharing them. This is where the court steps in. If a spouse is found to have hidden or misappropriated marital property, the court can impose a constructive trust on those assets. This means the assets will be held in trust for the rightful owner, which is usually the other spouse. For example, consider a situation where one spouse has retirement benefits that should be shared according to a divorce agreement. If that spouse tries to keep those benefits hidden, the court can impose a constructive trust on those retirement assets. This ensures that the other spouse receives their fair share, preventing any unfair advantage. In practical terms, a constructive trust serves as a powerful tool to protect the rights of a spouse in a divorce. It addresses concerns about asset concealment and ensures that both parties are treated fairly during the division of marital property. The court can step in to correct any injustices related to property ownership, making sure that the division of assets is equitable. If you find yourself in a divorce situation where you suspect asset concealment, understanding constructive trusts can be beneficial. It is essential to know that the court has the authority to enforce fairness in property division, even when one party tries to act unfairly. This legal remedy helps ensure that both spouses are treated justly, allowing for a more balanced outcome in the property division process.